This lovely home has one of the largest floor plans and lots in Cascades. With a long lake view from the pool and lanai, you will enjoy the best in Florida living. With over 2,500 square feet of living area, the home features impact windows and doors, crown molding, tile flooring, newer air conditioner and water heater, and tray ceilings. Although the tax records indicate this is a 2-bedroom property, the sellers converted the den to a 3rd bedroom during construction. The floor plan offers a living room, formal dining room, family room, and casual dining area. The master bedroom is oversized with 2 walk-in closets and a flex space that can be used as an office, sitting area, or exercise room. The possibilities are endless. Cascades is an active adult community with extensive amenities for the residents, including an indoor and outdoor pool, clubhouse, tennis, fitness center, and an activities director. Located within a few miles from the best shopping and dining in the area, FGCU, and the airport, this property provides the best of location and convenience.